work on finished TV tower. So the height is about 220 meters, and so there are, at the moment, there are many projects about reconstruction it. So my question is, when are you leaving from Ekaterinburg? Tomorrow? Or
Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow.
because here on the left, near that blue fence, our souvenir market is located. It's just one stop from your on foot, 10-15 minutes. It's closed now at the moment, it's too early, but here you can buy some stone things, jewelries and local souvenirs. So, and Ekaterinburg, yeah, I told St. Petersburg was named after St. Peter and after Peter the Great. And our city, which appeared 2 decades later, was named after Catherine I. So here, Tatsuk Arena, so our stadium, our famous hockey player, so he founded this stadium. So on the right again, the part of our Manik University and Museum, Geological Museum, is located here. And maybe you heard that story about meteorite in our country. It happened in 2013. So a lot of videos on YouTube. So we saw that light in the morning. We couldn't understand what it was. Nuclear war or a star war. Meteorite. You know, the speed was about 70,000 kilometers per hour. And the power was equal to 20 atomic bombs. Hiroshima. No, it fell down 200 kilometers from here, and so a lot of people in Chelyabinsk, the city in the southern Urals, were wounded. Broken glass. People approached the windows to look what was happening, and so broken glass wounded them. So, but in that museum I showed you, very good museum. There is. So the whole devoted to meteorites, and in 1949 there was another meteorite which flew the same route as this latest. So the city, the most Ekaterinburg, the most compact city millionaire in Russia. I mean the population, it's about 1.5 million people, and the area is 26 kilometers from the north to the south and 15 from the east to the west. Very compact, and you know, this city is becoming more and more popular for different international events. You saw our airport, it's one of the best in Russia. And it's located 25 kilometers from Ekaterinburg, and it takes only 25 minutes to get to the center of the city. It's very convenient. Then the first international events took place here. So it's 9 years ago, 7. Нет, сколько лет назад? 8 years ago. Imagine, in the USSR we had only 2 bright cities, Moscow and Leningrad. All other cities were considered to be provincial, grey, and Ekaterinburg or Sverdlovsk in the Soviet times, it was very industrial. The closed area. No tourists were allowed to come here. And but in 2009, 2 summits took place here. SHOS, Shanghai Organization of Cooperation, and BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, and China. We had no calm life for 3 years because everything was being renovated, reconstructed, and so the airport was renovated. A lot of restaurants and hotels appeared, international chains. And so everything was successful, and after that, every year, some world, global, international events are taking place here. And 2 years ago, Ekaterinburg was bidding for Expo 2020. We lost, but Ekaterinburg reached the final along with Emirates. But you know, people at least learned in what country Ekaterinburg is located, because the name is not Russian name. But now, just 2 months ago, Ekaterinburg again was bidding for Expo 2025, and our competitors will be Paris, France, Japan, and some other country, I don't remember. So the city is very compact, and now we are almost outside the city. So, and Eugene will continue.